Hi everyone and welcome to the walk around video here at Your Next Car. So within this video we're going to go around and take a look at the overall condition of this 435D M Sport Coupe. Alongside that I'll go through some of the interior and exterior major talking points and features of course. So without further ado, we'll go ahead and take a look at the black sapphire metallic exterior colour. Alongside that, this vehicle features the full BMW Mperformance kit. As you can see there, it is finished with a mixture of the carbon fibre and gloss black. So at the front, you'll notice the full carbon fibre front splitter, which looks very nice set against that black sapphire metallic. It has the gloss black BMW Mperformance kidney grills, and it is a 2017 17 plate facelift vehicle. At the side of the vehicle, you'll notice we have fitted here at Your Next Car the very nice 795M style alloy wheels, which are just one of a handful of the newer 2019 style Mperformance alloy wheels. Down the side of the vehicle, you'll also notice the gloss black air breathers. It has got the Mperformance side vinyls, side bars, and of course BMW Mperformance side stickers. Moving on to take a closer look, we've also got the carbon exterior mirror caps on this vehicle, which again do add a very nice exterior finish. The interior is again one of my personal favourites, certainly, especially when it's set against that exterior colour. It is the Oyster Dakota leather. Not only is it that fantastic colour combination, we also have the electric memory for driver's side and of course electric lumbar and adjustment for passengers, along with heated seat option. In the rear of the 4 Series, you find an ISOFIX 2x2 seat arrangement with the centre folding armrest, centre storage tray, and of course the colour contrasting M Sport black headlining, as you can see there. And the interior is in exceptionally nice condition and has been extremely well cared for. Again, showing you off those lovely 795M style alloy wheels. Behind there you'll see the M Plus brakes, which of course are much larger both front and rear, giving you a much higher braking performance, which on a 435D is always going to be welcomed. You of course get that superb extra four-wheel drive system, and there you can see the exquisitely presented carbon fibre rear spoiler. Opening up the tailgate, you can see just how large of a space it is, considering of course it is a coupe vehicle. You also have the split folding seat option, which again enlarges that space even further. Closing the boot down, we'll head round to the other side of the vehicle, where again we can see just how nicely presented this vehicle is as a whole package, and of course just how nice these 795 alloy wheels sit on the vehicle. Moving on into the interior, where there is yet more special options on this vehicle. As you can see there are the memory controls for the vehicle, and we'll head on and I'll take a seat and get myself comfortable inside the car. And you're immediately welcomed by the optional extra digital cockpit, and we'll run through just a few of the features of course both this and the professional wide navigation and media screen the vehicle comes equipped with. First of all, we'll show you that the vehicle has covered just over 31,000 miles, and currently the vehicle is just in its comfort setting, so we have just got the almost regular looking digital cockpit display. However, if I engage the sport, you'll notice straight away that the display does change quite largely. We've got a very large digital speedo display, along with the dials glowing nicely red. Again, this will change if we go down into the Eco Pro setting on the performance mode select. And as you can see now, we've got a nice blue tinge to everything. We've also got a completely different display on the speed side, and we've also got a charged power display on the efficient dynamics, which is just letting us know how much charge we can put back into the battery for the stop-start system, and of course then that will automatically switched on. However, you can still turn it off. Moving away from the digital cockpit onto the professional wide media and navigation screen. As you can see, I've currently got the DAB screen up. There is also a wide array of multimedia inputs, along of course with Bluetooth telephone and audio. There is the navigation screen, and we'll go through and have a look at some more of the features. It also has the Connected Drive Plus function, which gives you access to both online search, news and weather functions, which is all powered by Google, and the vehicle uses its own 4G network to power this. Moving over to the vehicle service status and service requirements screen, everything highlighted in green. The next service is due in 4,900 miles, and the vehicle does also have BMW service history, which you can currently see on screen now. Alongside that, of course, it does have dual climate control and the heated seats, as I've mentioned at the start of the video, along of course with that very now synonymous and famous 8-speed sports automatic gearbox with the flappy pedals. cruise control, speed limiter functions, voice and volume controls. So as always, I do hope you've enjoyed this walk around video. If you do have any questions or comments, please do let me know down below and I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. You'll also find in the description all of the relevant contact information and of course a link to our website to check this vehicle out in further detail, along with our prices and as well all of our finance options that can be arranged all in-house here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much for watching. Do of course take care and we hope to see you very, very soon. Thank you. Goodbye.